told you to give. Such violence. Such violence.
The episode 20 was the
Such
first day
violence.
we had
Is this the sort of behavior
physical assault.
I need to speak to HR on this project? This is just please. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Radical Measures podcast, episode 20. Right? And now that we are reaching episode 20,
yeah.
right, we are achieving heights, correct? We are scaling new heights.
Yeah,
right?
first 20
Yeah.
steps of the Everest is done.
In terms of numbers.
Yeah.
No, in terms of numbers, we are scaling new heights. But
Huh.
damn, dude, nothing comes close
Huh.
to the ambition
Yes.
that we both share.
Huh.
Does not even come close
Yes.
to scaling new numbers when it comes to Apple.
Yeah, that one company that used to be innovative.
That you know, na, that one
Yeah.
company with the Simla apple
Yes,
half bitten.
So now there is no reasoning behind that Apple logo and all.
From what I heard, Steve Jobs was on the banks of Ganga River and he took a bite of an apple, and then there was sunset proper and he was like, yes.
There was nothing
This
of that sort.
I heard.
like you, everyone came up with some shit story saying
Yeah.
that, oh my god, it is the apple that Adam and Eve bit.
Yeah, that,
And now that is life.
that is what I meant in that moment. All spiritual things
Yeah,
came
yeah,
together.
everything.
And he saw the future.
Religion tried to conquer science there. Ye
Yeah.
mera hai.
he saw the through that half bitten apple. He saw all of the things that great scale, magnificently huge company, so much of this, and end mein he saw cancer. Chotu
One
sa.
worm
हाँ,
just come
one
out.
worm just came out of the apple. Like, अरे end में scene होएगा थोड़ा.
इसके लिए iPhone 2 बनेगा.
हाँ.
Like वो वाला.
Exactly. The company which not only makes phones,
Yeah,
it makes
phones.
laptops, it makes iPads,
It makes
is-
shows.
It makes shows, yes.
Shows
it is
it
now
makes. Apple TV.
Apple TV. It's
Very
OTT.
expensive, no?
Very, very.
Very
अरे
expensive.
जेसन मोमोआ मोमोआ उसको
Jason
वगैरह-
Momo.
हाँ, उसको लिया है तो पैसा तो डालेगा ही ना.
Of
होता है
course. Yeah,
पैसा. अरे डेंजल वॉशिंगटन के साथ मैकबेथ कर रहे हो लोग पागल. ट्रेजेडी ऑफ मैकबेथ एप्पल टीवी कर रहा है. Yes, Apple TV is doing Shakespeare with Denzel Washington.
Yes. First black actor we will have. Like we are doing the opposite of that Lin-Manuel Miranda.
No, and
wala.
they are shooting it in black and white only. So I think it doesn't make a difference.
So no one will see Macbeth kill the king.
Apple is doing that with that extremely edgy, pretentious, but sometimes good movie maker studio is the A24.
Okay.
You've ever seen that logo A and then 24 ka symbol and then it disappears.
But any specific...
Green Knight बोल के देव पटेल का
Oh,
कुछ
they
तो
made
आया
Green
था.
Knight Award.
हाँ.
The one with Dev. Of course, they will take Denzel.
हाँ.
Dev Patel को King of England का बेटा बताया वो लोग. I'm like, अबे accent है उसका. है अपना पटेल भाई का बेटा वो.
The point is, he did act well in that.
Of course,
movie,
he's a
though.
good actor.
He's a
but
good
like-
actor that way.
But I'm looking at like, acha, Macbeth with a black person. Okay, very nice.
Yeah, the point is they are putting money in
Yeah.
shows as well.
Huh.
Okay, so they are doing all of these things. Now, as if this wasn't enough,
Yeah.
they ended up doing this thing with the chargers.
Yeah.
And the latest phone had released that will not give it along. You'll have to buy it.
Yeah.
If you want a charger, you'll have to buy
Yeah.
it. It doesn't come with the box.
They are looking at like the petrol price model. And they're like, let me apply this.
I don't think it's even that. I think they have like a gambling Russian roulette table and they are just like, what can we sell
Huh.
that people will buy? I think now what they are selling is just to see how blindly people can fall for a brand, because this thing is not a charger, it's not an electronic device that they have that we are speaking about. Okay, it's a new entry in the aftermarket accessory department of Apple. It's a microfiber cloth.
It's for $1,900.
Rupees. But still 1900.
1,900 rupees. You can start cleaning your own iPhone.
You have a pocha.
Yes.
It is a
katka.
pocha.
It's the eye katka.
It is the eye katka.
eye katka. Charger sold separately.
Yeah.
Solar में charge होता है ये.
It's not even that. If that was the case, I would be like, हाँ 1900 is amazing.
तू सुखाने डालेगा ना.
हाँ सिर्फ वो चार्जिंग होएगा उधर सुखाने के लिए.
क्विक ड्राइंग क्लॉथ,
हाँ.
माइक्रोफाइबर क्लॉथ.
Microfiber cloth, what they are planning on selling is probably for the screen, you know, no
Yeah.
scratches and
Yeah,
whatnot.
they have a compatibility list.
That cloth
हाँ.
I have seen at every traffic signal
Yeah.
in 3 colors.
Yeah, they'll come and wipe your
They will
screen.
show also. See,
Yeah,
it works.
चलता है.
It works on
बॉम्बे
your
का धूल
windscreen.
साफ किया.
अगर तेरा बॉम्बे का गाड़ी का विंडस्क्रीन का धूल साफ कर सकता है,
हाँ,
तो
तो
फोन
iPhone
क्या
तो
चीज
कर
है
ही सकता है,
ऑफ
bro.
कोर्स.
हाँ.
50 का 3 अलग अलग रंग लेके जा मंगलवार
हर दिन.
ऐसा सोमवार
Alternate कर.
बुधवार एंड फ्राइडे, ऐसा अल्टरनेट डे पे एक वापर खत्म
बेबी जी के लिए लेके जाओ, सबके लिए लेके जाओ.
और बड़ा है यार वो.
हाँ.
इट्स इवन ह्यूज, लाइक द वन दैट यू गेट एट अ ट्रैफिक सिग्नल
Yeah.
इज एक्चुअली मैन, इट्स लाइक अ विंडो. You know, it covers a window. This Apple thing is like a mouse pad, dude. It's
Yeah.
a mouse pad for 1900 rupees.
It's a nice
and people
dainty
will
little
buy.
things. Yeah.
I know there are some, you know, there are those people who want the same brand to be seen everywhere around them.
They'll give it to you to wipe your Android phone and be like, देख अच्छे से साफ किया ना.
हाँ मतलब वो
Like वो वाला.
जो मतलब एंड्रॉइड बन चुका है ना,
हाँ.
ऐसा आत्मा नहीं है,
हाँ.
सोच नहीं है,
कुछ
इंडिविजुअल
नहीं,
कुछ
बस
नहीं,
Apple,
सब-
Apple, Apple.
Apple just
Apple
that,
fanboys.
just that.
Steve Jobs को लेके हाय 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 हाय. Like
And they must have thought of it. Somebody who's that crazy about the
हाँ.
company will take this, they'll take the product ऐसा phone लेके, and
हाँ.
then they'll be like,
now
"La
we are
la,
complete.
la la," just cleaning that, looking at their own
अरे
reflection.
फ्राइडे को मैं फ्री नहीं है dude. मेरे को वो iMac साफ करने का है.
और सोच ना, वो पोछा लेने के लिए, आई कट का लेने के लिए भी पब्लिक लाइन में खड़ा रहा तो
हाँ.
कि oh my
Yeah,
god,
yeah.
people are waiting in the line. Why? Because they said the sales will begin at
The
6 a.m. tomorrow
Yeah.
morning.
The first thing you do is just wipe your tears. With the, finally, I have it.
Then give it to your parents and
Yeah,
relatives, because
yeah.
they'll also have to cry. क्या nonsense public को पैदा
चूतिया
किया
आदमी
है. It's so overpriced, and I think they have just gone for that premium thing. Dude.
Yeah.
Apple always does that. It gives you. It's owning Apple products is like creating a bubble of.
It's to tell people
Money.
that there is a
Right.
dollar sign.
Huh.
Yeah, I'm surrounded
I've
by dollar
traded
signs.
in-
Yeah.
I've ordered from abroad, you
Huh.
know, like my phone.
Hmm.
You know, it's
It's
that.
coming to
those
me.
are these are those people.
Uh,
You know, they have nice cars and they've made it in life. They 70,000 rupees for a phone. Yes,
70,000, 1 lakh, dude. Now
1 lakh,
Latest
yeah,
wala is
yeah.
1 lakh.
6 figures for a phone.
Yeah.
Of course, see, now if you take this debate now to
Huh.
Apple, that is what they'll go ahead and point out. You know how they get the audacity to charge so much? You go ahead and tell कि अरे 1900 रुपया कौन लेता है माइक्रोफाइबर
हाँ,
क्लॉथ के लिए? They'll say अरे 1
1
लाख
लाख दिया है फोन के लिए.
पब्लिक 1 लाख का
हाँ,
फोन ले रहा है पागल.
Insurance is 5,000 rupees, no?
हाँ.
iPhone or something. Like in case it falls, in case you lose it or something, there is some
It's 1
insurance.
lakh rupees का phone, then of course, dude, people will pay
हाँ.
1900 rupees for the cloth to clean it.
iPhone will just be like, देख तू अपना audience नहीं है.
You can
Not my
you
this.
can have an extra optional also on it. 1900 के ऊपर you add 8,000 rupees, you get a Chinese boy to clean it. He comes with the cloth.
You know, either China.
ऐसा कुछ रहेगा वगैरह, वो सीधा ऐसा अपीयर होता है.
Honest-
पॉकेट में रहता है वो.
Honestly, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना, you know how most people they buy iPhone and all, को साबुन वगैरह आ जाता है ना.
हाँ.
In the this, I think China से order वो लोग ने iPhone किया था, सब कटका आ गया. Now they are like चलिए बेच देते, पब्लिक खरीदेगा.
फैक्ट्री में वो लोग
Yeah.
कंटाला आ गया.
हाँ, और बेच दिया
कि
like,
स्ट्राइक पे कोई तो
yeah.
गया रहेगा ऐसा चाइना का फैक्ट्री में कि अरे तुम लोग क्या कितना टाइम काम कराता है स्वेट शॉप के माफिक. नहीं, कपड़ा बनाएगा मैं.
कपड़ा अभी से.
कपड़ा बनाएगा मैं, ये सब टूलिंग वगैरह इस्तेमाल करेगा. एंड देन दे सेंट इट टू द यूएस एंड देन दे ओपनड इट एंड दे सॉ एंड दे कॉल्ड एंड दे वर लाइक नो वी हैव minor problem. Give 2 days. 2 days you get all inventory. But what are you going to do in 2 days? Sell cloth.
Optimism, please. You know?
So that is
Steve Jobs सबको बोल के गए, stay hungry and stay foolish, और वो public
that
अभी
was
कर
the
रहा है.
conversation that happened in the Apple का conference room.
हाँ.
You have Tim Cook and a couple
Yeah,
of
yeah.
executives. You got like a whole container of cloths. They've just
What do
sent
you do?
cloths. What? No, they've said they'll send the inventory again. But then in the meanwhile, sell it. Does it have our logo on it?
Logo है क्या?
हाँ, exactly. Logo है क्या?
है ना?
Sell it.
हाँ, sell it.
That's all. See the logo? Sell it. No worries.
अरे पब्लिक खरीदेगा रे, तेरे को मालूम नहीं. Dude, Steve Wozniak, when iPhone X I think launched, there was a video of Steve Wozniak, the guy, the other Steve.
Yeah.
He was asked, will you take an iPhone 10? He's like, no, I'm happy with my iPhone 8. Like, why? Because my iPhone 8 does everything the iPhone 10 does. And he just walked away.
Yeah. He is going to tell the truth.
Yeah.
Because he's that guy who did not get his due, or who got it in weird ways.
Huh.
You know, so at this point of time,
he's taken shit from Steve Jobs.
हाँ.
Okay, and he's like,
Now
fuck
he's
this.
looking at the
Yeah,
others
I'm
like,
done.
तुम लोग, मैं ओजी के साथ था, उसके साथ मैं
तुमको
उसको
मालूम है
झेला है.
आईफोन का क्या परफेक्शन होना चाहिए. स्टैंडर्ड क्या था वो तुमको कुछ आइडिया नहीं है.
मैं उसको झेला है, तुम लोग कुछ चीज नहीं है.
तुम लोग 16 साल के बच्चे को आईफोन, ये ऐप स्टोर में, क्या आईफोन स्टोर में, आई स्टोर में लेके आता है और उसको जीनियस बोलता है. मैं एक्चुअल जीनियस के अंडर काम किया और वो बहुत हरामी है.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
And in this world of absurdities, when it comes to money especially,
हाँ.
it's all about how is your brand perceived in the customer's eye.
Yeah.
You know, Apple has made it to that level
Yeah.
that they can charge 1900 rupees.
Hmm.
Our merch will probably not be 1900.
19 rupees.
We'll start off with 19
start off
rupees.
with 19
okay, we'll start off with
Because हम लोग बाटा का बच्चे लोग हैं तो वो एक रखेगा.
slowly. Then
19 rupees and then ahead from there.
yeah. Then we'll follow.
The sky is the limit.
We'll follow in the footsteps.
Then we'll have one dinner napkin.
Yeah.
With our faces.
Yeah. On your way to obesity. Look at us smiling at you.
RMP.
Look at us smiling at you.
Remember to feed these faces also.
Our faces will be smiling
Huh.
to that extent where we'll almost look like we are condoning
The eating.
the
no?
eating.
Huh.
Chocolate cake, go for it.
Yeah.
Cheesecake, go for it.
We
buddy.
are there to support all your vices.
Oh yes.
That is what we are here for.
Oh yes. That will be our merch.
Yeah.
Everything around vices.
Hmm.
Okay, that is
Yeah,
what we'll be
ashtray.
selling.
Ashtray will be the first thing we
Ashtrays,
make.
Mugs,
Mugs.
beer mugs.
Yeah.
Apple might come out with that
It
also.
will be there.
Apple's cocktail
Ice
set.
cube.
Yeah. We already have the color. We have some extra metal. Make knives out of it. Come on, we are making knives.
This smart folk will tell you how many calories you have consumed.
Yeah. You just have to go ahead and
Dip it.
There are sensors in the teeth
it
of
tells
the
you
phone.
this is too hot. Don't eat it right now.
Wait for a second, you
Yeah.
idiot.
Because like you'll be eating while watching something on the iPhone and you put it and it's too hot, then the iPhone will send you a message. It's
Yeah.
too hot. Don't
And you
eat
won't
it.
be able to hear it because you will have the ear pods
No,
in.
it will interrupt
The notification will come like, stop
If
watching.
If you're watching something on Apple TV ka show,
Yeah.
the characters will be like, stop.
Yeah, the characters will only address
stop,
you.
Stop, please stop.
Yeah.
Like Macbeth will be like, just say one nice Macbeth line and then just interrupt with
No,
the
he's
face.
just speaking and thou shalt not face the tragedy of a burnt tongue. That is what he'll end
This
up saying.
spot, this bloody spot. Sorry.
Yeah.
Hoo.
Have you been stabbed in the back?
Well, better not suffer a burnt tongue.
Yeah.
Julius Caesar.
No, don't make the same mistake that I made. Don't make your tongue say "et tu brute" to your hand. That is how it will be. That is how the advertisement will be.
Yeah.
Because it's an Apple thing, na. So
Yeah,
again, you will
Apple
need
का
to show
advertisement.
मतलब
If you got-
stereotypical high
yeah.
flu. मतलब मैं भी है शेक्सपियर पढ़ा हुआ
They'll
ऐसा
be like,
दिखाने के लिए you will show like Macbeth with the fork
If you
or
don't-
Julius Caesar with the fork eating a Caesar salad
हाँ.
and then saying कि you know as he takes कि ask me about stabbings and I shall go ahead and tell you avoid them at any cost and then he just takes a bite of and पीछे you just see Brutus coming
Smartwatch
Yeah.
reminds Chuck.
Let's see, man. Let's see if it works out. 1900 rupees. I ain't buying it.
If I run into someone who buys it, I'm going to take that, stuff it in their mouth and suffocate them. And then
That's a better use.
Then take all of their Apple merchandise that they have.
Yeah. Now we have an Apple phone. We edit on
now
our
we
phone
have an
now.
iPhone. That's you see an eye katka on someone. That is the Apple. That is the guy who you need to rob the iPhone from.
That
advice.
what he said.
Yeah, but we are
No,
not
we're stopping
saying
it.
criminal advice.
Yeah. No, we're stopping it. We're stopping
stopping
the
it.
session.
Okay,
Yeah. I thought it might land well. The last one did
No,
not
no,
land well.
no.
I'm not giving you 5 more minutes to try new shit. Okay, we are rolling, buddy. I never thought
Yeah.
I would ever utter the words, "It's a good thing I'm not Shah Rukh's son." Till now, it seemed like a very good thing. You know,
Yeah.
in fact, from time to time as a child, I had seen the photos of Shah Rukh's bungalow and then looked at my father and said, "What's happening, bro? What's
Dude, I am
happening over here?"
my dad and Shah Rukh share the same birth date also. You don't know how many times that comparison has come up in my mind.
Exactly, right? I
Lived a
mean,
life.
it's a jet-setting lifestyle. You
Yeah.
have bungalows abroad. You're a superstar.
Yeah.
You are a person who can make or break movie careers. Producers just line up to work with you. Your fans go
Berserk.
berserk. They come outside your bungalow
And
on your
just have-
birthday. Like,
yeah,
please,
yeah.
thank you, you exist.
You have changed so many things.
That is what it is.
DDLJ की वजह से मैं पैदा हुआ. All that
हाँ.
shit.
People are giving him credit for so many things. My love story started because of your love story. So many things in their life they give credit for.
You gave me a reason to stalk my future wife.
Exactly. But guess what?
Yeah. Now
If your
times
name
have
is
changed.
Shah Rukh Khan,
yes.
things can
It's a
take.
bad time. Bad time to be Shah Rukh.
Your fame is then like a handbrake.
Yes.
You know कि कोई खींचा ना
हाँ.
तो suddenly गाड़ी पलटी होता है.
Now you are no longer in a गाड़ी or a Rolls Royce or what. Now you are in a bus and you're that bus car driver and anybody can bajao that ghanti to make you stop. That has happened.
And for an absurd reason,
yeah.
for a very absurd reason,
Hmm.
his son is still in prison
Yeah.
for 6 grams of
Is
Teenage
adding to the ronak of Arthur Road jail. Poor guy.
I think Arthur Road jail now has a different ledger for Bollywood people.
Yeah, it's got like photos of Bollywood people.
Oh, how you go to a place when
Restaurant
you
or something.
visit.
Cats delicatessen वगैरह
No,
रहता है
when you visit, you fill
Feedback.
your name ना, visitor signature
yeah.
कि बराक ओबामा मैं इधर था, ऐसा सब लिख के जाता है ना वो
Yeah,
लोग.
yeah.
When they go to Gandhi's
Sabarmati
ashram and all
yeah,
that.
yeah, and they write their
that-
thoughts and
yeah, like that in Arthur Road
Justin
jail.
Bieber. I think Anne Frank should have been a believer. What a shit.
हाँ वैसा वाला.
हाँ.
They must have a ledger like that at Arthur Road jail. And for a person to think that fame, something that you worked so hard for,
Yeah.
that you did Dar, the movie Dar, in which he's a psycho villain.
Yeah.
You know, he's a stalker.
That's where he started or something.
He started with Fauji.
shit.
You know, उसके भी पहले Fauji
Yeah,
बोल
the
के एक
series.
serial था जिसमें वो काम किया, and he worked hard to be like reach that level where three Khans who are shouldering the whole Bollywood on them. You know,
Yeah,
he had
yeah,
a
yeah.
run like mad. And the most sought after co-star.
Hosted TV, hosted तेरा
Female
award
actresses
functions, everything.
do not look at the age gap.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, he's 50, cool.
They
He's
don't
70.
They don't
I'm
look at
working
the
with
age
him.
gap. They don't look at the height gap. They don't ignore the bad jokes and they are like, बस poster पे साथ में रहना
शाहरुख
चाहिए.
है तो साथ में
हो
रहना
गया. Career
चाहिए. वो
set.
level का fame and his son is now fucked because of it.
Yeah,
And I'm trying to think why. Because see, the NCB is a central government thing.
Yeah.
And there has to be some reason for this vindication. You know, and the amount of guilt that Shah Rukh must be experiencing
Yeah.
as a father.
I thought this was the
Can you
best
think?
aspect of me.
I thought being a superstar, I would be able to give my child everything.
Yeah. Now I can't give him freedom.
मतलब उसके लिए समर वेकेशन में दुबई में आइलैंड खरीदा,
हाँ.
स्विट्जरलैंड बचपन में गया है वो,
हाँ.
टॉबलेरोन हमेशा उधर का खाया है, इधर का भी नहीं खाया है. I ensured so many things for my child,
Yeah.
and now he's eating roti sabji in a jail.
Yeah.
Why? Because he was on a
Next
party.
to a person.
when he was on a boat, a cruise,
Huh.
at a party, and somebody at the party had drugs.
Yeah. He
Not
was
even
next
him.
to a person.
मतलब it's not even like you caught Aryan Khan smoking ऐसा
हाँ.
मतलब, you know, कि joint
No.
हाथ में कुछ नहीं.
हाँ.
And even when that happens,
Hmm.
it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
Just ask him to throw it. That's it. That's how most of those interactions work. It's fine.
Yeah. I have never seen government officials so eager to work.
And this is, of course, vindictiveness.
Yeah.
There is no other way of explaining this because for 6 grams, these people have gone ahead and not given him bail, even though he did not have drugs on his person.
Yeah. There's nothing that links him
Nothing
to
that links
this.
him to that, but they still did not give him bail because they said we have incriminating evidence via WhatsApp messages.
Huh.
That is what is incriminating.
Yeah.
And then they were saying it as if again there is actual
Yes,
proof.
we have found something. He's gone.
मतलब ये टाइप किया है
हाँ.
मुझे drugs
आज
दो.
मैं मस्त फूका.
हाँ, he
आज
has
मैं
typed
मस्त
it.
फूका, ऐसा कुछ टाइप किया वो.
Literally ऐसा कुछ तो
हाँ.
टाइप करके भेजा है, ऐसा एविडेंस बोला.
हाँ.
And now the evidence has come out that he has messaged. NCB people have come out and said it seems he's a habitual drug user and he's been using lingo which is similar to that.
Yeah.
And when people were like, "Acha,
What did he
lingo?
say?
Was the message?
What was the message? Like what is this new thing about
Yeah.
drugs and all that we don't know
Yeah.
and all this shit, and then they were like
He messaged, "Let's have a blast" to his friends. That is what he messaged.
let's have a blast. And that is enough. That is incriminating.
Dude, what sort of things I have messaged to my friends? You have no idea. Okay. I mean, if I have to explain communication that I have with my friends to a legal authority, a law authority,
Yeah.
I will look like a horrible person, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Because my friend was late for 5 minutes and I said, तेरे को गाड़ी के
पैदल
नीचे तेरे को धक्का देगा, तेरे को ट्रैफिक में धक्का देगा अगर तू आया नहीं तो. This is how I speak to my friends. Now,
Dude, also, like, even if you write मैं आज मस्त drugs फूका or whatnot, you can always be like, actually my friend was fucking around, he took my phone and he typed. That also shit happens, dude.
Yeah.
That
these sort
shit
of
happens.
things also happen.
Like, how can you use that as incriminating?
And they were trying to use the phrase
हाँ.
have a blast
blast.
with like मतलब
समझना blast बोला. आर्यन का blast बोला.
they think they know so less of drugs that they think there is some sort of explosion involved in consuming it. You know? अरे मैं देखा है वो ऐसा
अरे
ग्लास का
माचिस
कुछ
जलाते हैं लेकिन ब्लास्ट में नहीं एंड होता है रे. क्या बात कर रहे तू?
देखिए आग का इस्तेमाल होता है जलाने में.
It almost feels like, I shit, you guys know nothing about how are you all investigating drugs and all. You guys have no clue.
The next message, dude, I'm going to show you this, your head's going to blow off. Does that mean you had a shotgun? Were you going on a no?
No, dude.
Since when is interpretation okay when it comes to legal scenarios?
हाँ.
Okay, especially with communication which is text message. Everything is condensed.
Do you know how many miscommunications happen with the person you're actually communicating with on text message?
How many times you have messaged something, the other person has misinterpreted it? That is what happens with
Yeah.
text. You can't use that. I mean, the level of absurdity with which people are approaching this just to show, and this is just a thing to be, you know, made an example out
हाँ,
of.
हाँ.
It's as if they'll take the high roads till ki, see, in our land, nobody's above the law. Come on,
Come on,
buddy.
dude.
Come on,
Come
buddy.
on.
Let's be honest now. Come on, man. Come on.
Most people avoid the law because the process is only punishment. Okay.
And you see, the kid is feeling punished.
हाँ.
I mean, of course, the parents will be discussing कि भाई इसको अभी इधर रखने का है कि
हाँ,
अभी
they'll
बाहर
be
गाओ.
like, हाँ,
Let him just
निकालो,
settle
yeah.
abroad.
क्योंकि इधर
स्विट्जरलैंड में
100 करोड़ पब्लिक है जो छोड़ेगा नहीं इसको.
नहीं स्विट्जरलैंड में यश चोपड़ा जब भी शूट करता था उधर अपन एक लेके रखा है जगह उधर ही रहे तू बाबा. You know, because you will have PTSD in Mumbai for the rest of your life with this.
Every corner will remind you of one more guy trying to get your photo.
Can you even imagine the reaction of prisoners
हाँ.
to this? Hardened criminals,
हाँ.
murderers and whatnot who are inside the prison, they just come to know कि अरे आर्यन है क्यों 6 ग्राम चरस मिला. अरे बात करके निकल लेने का निपटाने का ना क्या 6 ग्राम के लिए कौन पकड़ता है.
Dude, they'll realize अरे शाहरुख का बेटा होना बड़ा क्राइम है. That is उधर IPC का
Imagine
कुछ
there's
तो है.
Shahrukh, then there is another drug peddler in the prison
हाँ.
and he's like कितना 6 ग्राम 600 किलोग्राम.
Welcome to the big league.
Welcome to the big league. ऐसा करके.
He'll make connections there now.
हाँ, now he'll make connections.
Fuck it, dude.
अभी देखो मैं कुछ किया भी नहीं, मैं दोस्त लोग था पार्टी के लिए गया, इसके लिए तुम लोग मेरे को पकड़ रहे हैं. अभी तो मैं बनेगा, अभी तो तुम लोग देखो मैं क्या करता है. ऐसा कनेक्शन बना था ना.
And like 10 years later, Aryan Khan is dealing drugs. Like he's become like a drug underworld guy, underworld don or something.
He's the new Pablo.
Yeah, he's the new Pablo.
He's
Bombay.
the
And he's
Bandra just
just visiting
Pablo.
Arthur Road jail just for kick's sake.
हाँ.
You know, like Shahrukh goes to that hotel or something where he lived. Like, you know, यहाँ से मेरी शुरुआत हुई थी. Arthur Road jail में enter करता है. The same हवलदार is over there close to retirement. And he's like, कैसा है पात्रे and he just gives him $100.
Yeah, he just has all of
तू
that.
मेरा बहुत ख्याल रखा था.
The voice over
Yeah,
starts
yeah.
कि मेरे नसीब में स्विट्जरलैंड की वादियाँ लिखी गई थी, मगर
सिर्फ लोनावला के हफीम के फार्म्स थे.
मगर जिंदगी का क्या है ना मेरे दोस्त, ऐसा करके.
And Akshay Kumar's son plays him
हाँ. In the biopic.
in the biopic.
Oh God. You have to take into account the idea, the sheer idea that the level of lack of safety. Oh my God.
Safety for
Like you feel you're safe
हाँ.
as a parent.
yeah.
You know, why did
कि मैं
Shah
कर दिया, yeah.
Because see, no matter what, you break it down at a parental level.
Yeah.
It's all about why does Shah Rukh go and, you know, do sometimes really fuck all movies?
Yeah.
Because
Fuck
he
all
has
movies,
kids.
goes for shadis to dance,
Yeah.
people call him and all of this stuff
He
is not
does all of that
artist
because
stuff. He does that
dude,
but because kids.
it's a good chunk of change for my children. मेरा
Yeah.
बच्चा लोग के लिए must, my kids with donation admission is sorted.
Yeah.
In one night का नाचने का I'll dance.
तो नाचेगा ना, क्यों नहीं
Same
नाचेगा?
thing like any middle class parent who is also thinking about earning the most, asking for a raise,
Yeah.
saving money
हाँ.
for the kid.
हाँ, scale अलग है, again the same thing.
The scale is
अलग है,
different. The
पर struggle
intention
वही
is the
है.
same.
हाँ.
Okay, the intention is the same. And why do you all want money? Because even our parents want us to earn more money.
Yeah.
And of course, we became comedians. That's a different thing. But they want us to earn money because there's safety with money.
Yeah.
Right? There is, at least that's the idea. The more money you have, the safer you will be.
Yeah.
You'll be able to get out of situations.
हाँ.
But then you have so much money
हाँ.
that it works against you.
There is a flip side also.
नहीं सर, प्रॉब्लम ऐसा है कि आपके पास इतना पैसा है ना कि लोगों को लगेगा कि हमने छोड़ दिया, इसके लिए रखना पड़ेगा. ऐसे तो लीगली छोड़ना चाहिए.
लेकिन सर अभी है ना, अभी लोगों को पता चलेगा कि करप्शन है, वही प्रॉब्लम है.
सर इतना पैसा है ना आपके पास, क्यों कमाया इतना? थोड़ा कम कमाना चाहिए था, तो निकल जाता था. That is the problem he is
अगर मैं
facing.
आपको जानता नहीं था सर, लाइक आपका मेरा पहचान नहीं रहता था ना, तो हो जाता था.
तो आज मैंने बचपन में आपके मूवीज 10 बार नहीं देखे थे ना मराठा मंदिर पे,
हाँ,
तो
तो
हो
नहीं
जाता था सर, मगर देखा है ना.
क्या करूं मैं अभी?
DDL जब 25 साल चला है सर, क्या करेंगे? कुछ तो.
What to do? We know each other. That is the problem.
It's a sad thing, man.
Yeah.
And the reasoning, I am telling you, there is something hidden
Yeah.
which is not out.
He
This
said
is not
no to
without
someone
reason.
powerful.
Yeah. This is not without reason that suddenly NCB officials were on that ship.
हाँ.
This is not sudden.
Yeah.
There is something behind it. There's some agenda
तो है.
for which that poor fellow is paying it.
Yeah.
And petrol prices are 110 and not nonsense. Everything else is expensive. Nobody cares about.
6 ग्राम. How is 6 ग्राम of what was called 6 ग्राम?
अरे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज का एक क्लासरूम में तेरे को ज्यादा मिलेगा. मालूम है? तुम लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं? हॉस्टल में जाएगा तो एक फ्लोर पे तुमको ज्यादा मिलेगा.
तो था
नॉनसेंस.
ना, some I think Biswa was once saying कि IIT खड़गपुर में उसका कोई तो बंदा था, some person had started growing pot.
अरे ऑफ कोर्स लैब में तेरे को फिश टैंक है, लाइट्स है, सब इक्विपमेंट है, प्लस नॉलेज है.
इक्विपमेंट नहीं रहे,
Biology.
बाग में उगा रहा था वुड्स.
अरे ये भी होता रहेगा, क्या मालूम. द पॉइंट इज डेफिनेटली नॉट वर्थ दिस बुलशिट.
Yeah.
Definitely not.
6 grams of whatever, dude.
I hope by the time episode 21 comes out, he is also out. Let's see. Let's see.
Yeah, I don't think. चलो,
Let's see.
ठीक है. Hopefully.
DC fandom trailers dropped.
Yes.
The internet went crazy again.
Of course.
Batman's new trailer came out.
Yeah.
No. Batman, first of all, we had the Christopher Nolan iteration, which was really good. Then we had the Zack
Batfleck.
Snyder thing, जो
Yeah.
थोड़ा ऐसा गड़ो
हाँ.
हुआ. And now we have
Matt
Robert
Reeves.
Pattinson.
Robert Pattinson.
हाँ, उसका है.
Yes.
मतलब Batman is such a character that they can keep on making again and again. You know why? Because it seems like everybody is such a big fan now of just the idea of a rich person doing the right thing
Yeah,
with
yeah.
money.
हाँ.
You know, That's why, like, अरे पैसा है इतना billions, now
सिर्फ-
fight crime.
he-
Okay, that is what I want to see.
ये सिर्फ डोनेशन देके काम खत्म नहीं करता है. This guy goes spends
हाँ.
part of his time community service.
Community service.
Community
करता है.
service he does. Hands on approach, grassroots approach.
That is what Batman
That
is.
is Batman.
It's community service. Rich
Yeah.
person doing community service.
Yes.
Right. In an amazing car.
Amazing car. Driving fast, reaching people and stopping crimes before they happen.
Yeah. New trailer dropped out.
Yeah.
Eternals is coming out.
Huh.
This whole superhero genre is so big.
Yeah.
If you have to put a number on it, I'm pretty sure it has already done. If I'm just looking at business, how much business has the superhero genre done?
Yeah.
I think it would easily cross like billions and billions of dollars.
Yeah.
Easily.
It in a big way resurrected Hollywood also. Like when Avengers
did.
and all started coming back in terms of like revenue, because it spread Hollywood outside
It
US
was
and all also.
movies going viral.
हाँ.
That is what it was.
Yeah, like they didn't
Before
have this
that-
one thing कि हाँ चलता ही रहेगा. वो वाला जो
Before
formula
that,
है
you
ना.
had like very few movies which depended on story
हाँ.
and how it is told and proper acting.
हाँ.
And then we just went for this human society just said no. I want
फटाकड़ा.
I want to see God scenes.
Yeah.
That is what, because every superhero, the whole superhero genre is filled with stereotypes.
Yes.
Let it be DC, let it be Marvel, let it be indie publishers, whoever it is.
The same story.
You will have the same thing.
Hamlet, Macbeth type story रहेगा. जो कि-
Laser eyes.
Hmm.
You will have rich guys
हाँ.
trying to do
Science.
the right thing. Science.
हाँ.
Spider guys.
हाँ. Animal plus human.
हाँ.
कुछ ऐसा.
वो सब मिक्सचर करके
मैजिक रहेगा या तो
मैजिक भी रह सकता
स्पेस
है.
एलियन बिकमिंग स्ट्रांग
Whatever dhaga
हाँ
you can pull in and put it to the main dhaga.
हाँ
That's cool.
हाँ
Right? And it scares me.
हाँ
Right? It does. It does a little bit. Because I think this is definitely an indicator of a larger problem.
या
Every societal norm is indicator of something, right?
ट्रू या ट्रेंड्स टेल अस हु वी आर
Exactly. If there's too much violence, capital punishment happening in the streets, you realize this speaks about the
Something, yeah.
society. It says something about the society. It's not normal.
नो
In a nice democratic country, you can't be going to work and then see चौराहे पे किसी का गर्दन कट रहा है. It's not normal.
या
So it's definitely an indicator of.
हैव टू डॉज डॉग शिट एंड ब्लड कम ऑन यार
Yeah, it's
like
too
that is
much.
not
Yeah. So people for more than a decade, because I think Marvel whole thing started in 2008.
2008 yeah that is when the first Iron Man came
Yeah,
out.
first Iron Man came out, so around that time. What is this weird desire for people? Like it's like I sometimes feel the society is almost believing कि our fuck ups, our mistakes
हाँ
are so unfixable
yeah
that we need something like that.
Superman
We need a Superman to fix it, dude. Others we are not able to.
easy solution na
We just don't believe in humanity enough.
No.
Humanity does not believe in humanity enough to fix its problems.
that is why it makes human like people
That is why we saw United Nations and we were like, nah, they are not able to solve anything.
No,
we need a
this
Superman.
it's just a place where all the complaints are spoken
Yes.
that's it
And we take it so seriously.
हाँ
These stories
yeah
are so mythical
people argue
that people
over
argue
comic
over
book arcs and what is canonical चीज होता है
हाँ.
canon the word comes from the fact of what is accepted by the church as the original story of Christ
Exactly.
okay so
From
now
there
they
to comic
argue
books.
like comic नहीं पीटर पाकर का अंकल बेन ने exactly ये बोला था
Of course. Look at the modern society.
yeah
Jesus and Spider-Man.
same
story. That is how people are
Jesus
using
Superman,
canonical.
I think, yeah. Superman, sorry, yeah.
Superman,
Superman
sorry,
is
not this.
Yeah.
Superman, nice guy.
Yeah.
White.
respects mother
Yeah, all of that. And so Injustice, just an example of how seriously people take it.
yeah
Injustice storyline comic books का है Superman
yes
का,
this happened
which was made into an animated movie.
हाँ
Now in that storyline, Superman goes a bit crazy because
Yeah.
his wife is killed by Joker.
हाँ reasons and all
हाँ,
other
तो then
point is
he-
there's one scene
So then he kills Joker and then he's trying to stop conflict all over the world.
हाँ
So he goes to Israel, Palestine also. He goes to all of these places,
हाँ
well-known global conflicts, and he
हाँ.
stops them,
Yeah.
saying कि बहुत हो गया अभी,
हाँ
मैं आया इधर, ये नाटक बंद करो, नहीं allowed.
इट्स क्रिप्टॉन वे और द हाईवे
हाँ.
वो अलग
He's that secretary of the society who's
हाँ.
coming to stop the kids from playing.
टेरेस बंद किया
हाँ, मैं बंद कर दिया अभी,
हाँ,
मैं
अभी
है,
मजा नहीं हाँ.
मेरे पास है पावर, मेरा कैसा नहीं
जला देगा भेंचोद लाइक दैट ही लिटरली सेज दैट
Exactly.
और वो कर सकता है
And it's all comic book shit.
Hmm.
It happened in an animated movie. Now, in that part of the story where he's going to stop global conflicts, in the animated movie, they showed Kashmir,
या
the disputed borderline.
वी कांट से दैट
Oh, sorry.
वी कांट से दैट
No,
द वर्ल्ड विल से दैट अपने लिए कश्मीर अपना है सॉरी इंडिया
no, that's right. But I'm speaking about the conflict.
Yeah,
Let me word it properly. Sorry. Yes, my PR agent friend Filter.
because that's what
Xavier
happened they
has,
called it disputed land
I'm sorry. It's,
in the
no, but
animated show.
it's our we are disputing it. No,
हाँ मतलब
we are
how
the
can you say
disputer.
झगड़ा हो रहा है like there is झगड़ा there are I'm pretty sure there is one geographical point in Kashmir where all three borders meet
And you can't actually take offense to what I said because disputed land, because we are the disputer.
Huh.
We are disputing.
we've been fighting with
This
them
is ours. Okay, so it's fine. But they showed Superman coming over there and stopping it and saying that this technology is not allowed in the demilitarized zone, something like that.
हाँ. no he
Basically,
destroys like tanks wanks and all and says that no more war in Kashmir ऐसा कुछ बोलता है
ऐसा कुछ तो रहेगा.
हाँ, two
देखा भी
weeks.
नहीं अपन मूवी,
नहीं.
बट क्योंकि अपने को मालूम है कार्टून है.
हाँ
है कि नहीं? कार्टून है.
सीरियसली नहीं लेना है इसको
हाँ,
ठीक
ये
है
क्योंकि ऐसा कपड़ा भी कोई नहीं पहनता है, उड़ता
नहीं.
भी नहीं है कोई.
अरे केप धोने को कितना टाइम कम ऑन
But it was enough for certain media outlets
यस
to report it.
टू बी अप इन आर्म्स
In fact, Indians went crazy on the internet. Some Indians.
या
Some Indians.
And
Some
when
idiots.
when Indians go crazy, it gives birth to a hashtag,
हाँ.
which is anti-India Superman.
हाँ.
हो गया.
These are the same people who tomorrow, if we actually have a war, will call Superman का वो नंबर रहता है ना कॉमिक बुक पे. अरे आके मदद करो, मैं इधर है. And on the other hand, you'll have a call center employee who's like,
Sorry,
"Sir,
you are number 4 on our conflict list.
what is this expectation?" Anti-India Superman.
Yeah.
Superman is not a part of the discussion.
Yeah,
Just to clarify, it's a cartoon.
yeah.
Whatever they show in the cartoon will have absolutely zero impact on real life. Do you understand that, you morons?
You wish that Kashmir problem gets solved like this. You can hope.
Decades of conflict. Something that Gandhi, United Nations, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, all of these people who have, brains and who have been working at it for some
Yeah,
time, they couldn't solve.
Track record, dude. Like there was some कुछ तो article था in which one of the aides of Vajpayee, like political aides of Vajpayee, said that अपने time पे we had gone to we were going and speaking to different
No, they had
schools
to
of religion
They had to speak
to figure out
yeah.
how to resolve this Hindu-Muslim conflict over there and like how to make sure कि religious extremists and all are controlled in the Kashmir वाला issue. कैसा solve करेगा ये हम लोग इतना सब बातचीत किया और तुम लोग बोल रहे हैं ये
And you think those comics are well read in Kashmir?
no
That suddenly people who want a separate, separatists,
हाँ,
they'll be.
we'll start experimenting trying to create a
you think
Superman.
that is what will happen? Not even trying to create a Superman. They will wear the capes and walk.
I am
around.
indestructible. Like,
How crazy is this going to get? As far as our reaction to what?
and dude, it's not even releasing in India.
It's not even.
So if
releasing
you
in
saw
India.
it, you fucking torrented it. Okay, you bastard. You bastard, you stole from DC.
So you pirated
You pirated
to get angry.
This is how far you'll go.
That is exactly what is born out of piracy. Hashtag
Anti-India
anti-India
Superman.
तू लाएगा अभी सोल्यूशन.
तू
Global
चोरी का माल
conflict
देख
का.
के बेंच वो भी कार्टून चोरी कर रहा है तू.
और एनिमेशन कार्टून में मॉरल हाई ग्राउंड मांग रहा है. तो कैसा इंसान है रे. खुद का शक्ल देखने को होता है कि आईने में चूतिया लोग. How do these people even get through life?
By watching torrented cartoons all day.
Yeah, that is what they do.
This is what they're doing in that newsroom. देश भैंचो जल रहा है, farmers are at Singhu border, कोई तो कोविड में like duplicate कोविड वैक्सीन वगैरह हो रहा है, मरा हुआ आदमी का सेकंड डोज वैक्सीन का सर्टिफिकेट आ रहा है, भैंचो ये सब चीज हो रहा है, वो सब छोड़ के अरे डूड इनजस्टिस पार्ट 1 आ गया, चल देखते like, क्या स्टोरी है भैंचो, स्टोरी पीछे है तेरा.
नहीं वो स्टोरी मजा नहीं आता
I
है.
swear, dude.
वो स्टोरी देखते हो पॉपकॉर्न नहीं खा सकता है. ये स्टोरी देखते हो पॉपकॉर्न खा सकता है मैं. मेरे को पॉपकॉर्न खाने का है
Oh
ब्रो.
God. Imagine this interns and all are just ऐसा टाइम ऐसा घलाने के लिए वो लोग बैठ के मस्त हेडफोन लगा के बैठा है, पॉपकॉर्न खा रहे, पीछे से सुधीर चौधरी आता है, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग, सर रिसर्च एंड देन दे जस्ट शोड हिम, सर ये स्टोरी है अपना प्राइम टाइम न्यूज़.
And then somewhere in the DC का office,
हाँ.
there is an executive who's looking at the tweets and then running to a conference room and getting in and saying, we are in trouble in India. Why? Because Superman attacked tanks in Kashmir. They know it's a cartoon, right? Yeah, I think so. I mean, we've shown it. They look cartoonish.
Maybe we should send them an email saying it's a cartoon.
This does not in any way represent real life. Please read the disclaimer carefully.
It's an alien from space.
Krypton is not a real place. Son of Krypton is not a real person. And then just writing Jai Hind. Just that. Ending with that.
Fuck, dude. कितना embarrassing है यार ये. I remember
DC is going to put out photos of Diwali celebration with
Superman 2 full जड़ी लेके.
Pro India. Below 1.3 billion market. Yeah.
Batman is bringing Karanji to Wonder Woman.
Justice League में फराल डिपार्टमेंट. फ्लैश भाग रहा है, लड्डू बांट रहा है
सबको. हेलो आंटी, हैप्पी दिवाली. हेलो आंटी.
That is what they will do. Just to make up for a scene. A big company like DC will go ahead and apologize because we are a big market. Okay, they will have those photos with the employees. Not only that, I think with the Injustice 2 movie, now the sequel, they'll make an Indian edition. You know?
Special India cut.
Special India. This for our fans back home. You know? And unseen scenes. And what will be that? There'll be an item number with Batman and Superman and Wonder Woman. They'll buy the rights to Kajrare. Something like that will happen.
And the guy who's saying आंखों के काजल में is actually Batman.
मास्क ऐसा पहनते वक्त
Wonder Woman और Superman Batman के लिए खड़ा कर रहे तेरे काले काले ने.
और पीछे बैटमैन ऐसा. वो एडम वेस्ट का बैटमैन था ना. नाचते.
Yes. Yeah. Item song in a DC movie is what needs to happen. I mean, जैसा तुम लोग चाइनीज मार्केट को अपीस करते हैं वैसा हम लोग को भी अपीस करो.
करेगा ये वो लोग. मैं बोलता है ना ये लोग ये होना ही है क्योंकि पैसे का मामला है dude. In fact, I'll go one step further. डबिंग कौन करेगा मालूम है?
कौन?
शाहरुख और उसका बेटा. Injustice 2. The comeback. Only when it comes to sequel का dubbing, Aryan will be flying to California. इधर नहीं कर रहा है वो कुछ. He is flying where 6 grams is legal. Okay. That is what he's doing. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. This brings us to the end of Radical Measures episode 20. As usual, do follow us on Instagram. Do check out the new content we keep on putting out. Share it with your friends. Do a nice deed. Don't be fuckers. See you in the next episode.
6 grams is your limit, so
Yeah.
take care.
बात कौन किया? कौन पिएगा पानी?
This is a show, dude. This is a show. I'm telling you.